Am primit fișierul de proiect în care am lipit scurt-urile aici. Am
means I have or I received. It's the first person singular present perfect form of the verb.
a primi.
To receive, pronounced
Am
similar to the English word am. It indicates the action of receiving has already been completed.
primit.
Past participle of
A primi.
to receive, meaning received. It agrees in gender and number with the object.
Fișierul.
The file, pronounced
Pree-meet.
with the stress on the first syllable. It's essential in forming the perfect tense.
Fișierul.
Means the file or the document. It's the masculine singular definite form of
Fișier.
file, pronounced
Fees-ee-er-ool.
with the stress on the second syllable. It specifies which file is being referred to.
De.
A preposition meaning of, pronounced
Deh.
similar to the d in delicate. It shows possession or origin. In this case, it indicates the file belongs to the project.
Proiect.
Means project, pronounced
Proiect.
with the stress on the second syllable. It's a noun describing the subject of the file.
În.
A preposition meaning in or into, pronounced
In.
similar to the English word. It indicates location, in this case, within the file.
Care.
A relative pronoun meaning which or that, pronounced
Cahireh.
with stress on the first syllable. It connects the previous clause to the following one. Referring to the file.
Am.
Means I have or I did. It's the first person singular form of the auxiliary verb.
A avea.
To have, used here with the past participle to create a perfect tense. Pronounced
Am.
same as the previous am.
Lipit.
Past participle of
A lipi.
to paste or
A lipi.
to attach, meaning pasted or attached. Pronounced
Lipit.
with stress on the second syllable. It describes the action performed on the
Scurturi. Scurt-urile.
means the short circuits or the shortcuts. It's the plural form of
Scurt.
short with the diminutive
Uri.
added, pronounced
Scurt-uireleh.
with stress on the second syllable.
Scurt.
Can refer to either electronic short circuits or concise explanations. The context clarifies its meaning.
Aici.
Means here, pronounced
Aici.
with stress on the first syllable. It indicates the location where the action happened. Putting it together.
Am primit fișierul de proiect în care am lipit scurturile aici.
Means I received the project file in which I pasted, attached the short circuits, shortcuts here. It's a statement describing the action of receiving a file and placing something, short circuits or shortcuts, within it.